Good morning, Stingrays! Today is February 17th, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a while since I've been in here. Feels good. I like this a lot better than being at home. Woo! That's a Wednesday. That's a school day, and that's why we're here. Couple of shout outs, birthdays I missed. I missed Andy's birthday while I was gone. I missed Dua's birthday while I was at home. Happy birthday, Andy. Happy birthday, Dua. But a special happy birthday goes out to Fahim, whose birthday is today. Happy birthday, Fahim. No big announcements. Finally back in the classroom. Feels great. We're done doing testing. So there's really no reason to stay home. So I decided to come here. Woo! Get a look at these four walls. They're better looking than my four walls at home. Yeah. More colorful anyway. All right, so today's lesson. It's all about area of a circle. Oh, sorry. Special announcement. I forgot a special announcement. Whoop. In case you haven't gotten the dozen emails, phone calls, text messages, or the carrier pigeons, I'm pretty sure they're just trying to get the word out at this point. I'm pretty sure when they implode the Trump building today, it'll be a big sign that says, you're going back to hybrid next Monday. Okay, and then what was hybrid? I forgot. Hybrid is the A-B schedule. Okay, so Monday and Wednesday will be the A's in the building. Tuesday and Thursday will be the B's in the building. I don't know if you can sign up. I don't know that yet. I don't know if you can drop out. So we get really advanced word. Check with Doc. He probably knows more than I do. He always does. He's that kind of person. Whoop. Now back to the lesson. Area of a circle. I had you do squared numbers. Okay, I had you practice squared numbers because there are three. Actually, let's start guys a bit. There are three parts to the formula for area of a circle. This is it right here. It's this weird symbol followed by R. You'll figure out what that is in a second. Squared. Okay? Technically, it's the third part. There's two parts, but this is, I call it a third part because that's something you have to do. So, this, what is this weird symbol? If you don't know already, that is pi. Okay? Pi. It has been long calculated to help us formulate the area of a circle, and the circumference of a circle is the number that they came up with a long, long time ago. And it keeps on going. You guys know it keeps on going. I'm going to stop it at 3.14. That's what pi is. Pi for us in class is 3.14. It's the number we use to help calculate radius and diameter. Okay? We represent that with this weird, cool little swirly, I don't know, it kind of looks like it has, for me, it has a cross between like an Asian feel, because it kind of looks like one of the temples, and it also looks like the Enye in the Spanish cultures, in Spanish language, so a little mix of cultures there. So it's pi, which is 3.14, and yes, you'll be even seeing me use a calculator, okay? I'm not going to work that in my head. R squared. What is R, Mr. Nugent? Let's travel over here. Actually, let's travel over here. I have my circle. You'll notice I have a broken peace sign. That's not what it is, okay? My circle is obviously what we're working on. But there's two vocab words you need to know, okay? There is diameter, okay? I'm hoping to get vocab videos out probably tomorrow. I'll have time, so I can't splice it into here. But if I did, I'd shoot it over to him, and then he would be like, blah, 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 blah. Can't do that right now, but we'll work on it. Two vocab words for area of a circle. You have diameter. Diameter is the total distance across the circle. And yes, I know it's a terribly drawn center line. But how do you remember which one's which? If you want to think of it, remember a D for diameter literally has half a circle. So that is how you know diameter is going through half of the circle. D for diameter. It literally looks like half a circle. R, radius, that's kind of hard, but you know how R had this little line here, little stem? Radius. That's how I like to remember it. I remember D is a big giant half circle, and then R, the radius. R has that little stem, little half circle thing. So that's what it means. So diameter is, let's just do line through circle. Okay, it goes through the center of the circle. Oh, that's a terrible glare. Let me go get that. Much better. Okay, so diameter. Now you can actually see diameter. We'll call it the line through the circle. Okay, radius is half the distance. Halfway. Halfway through the circle. Okay, so halfway through the circle. So our formula for area and area only, okay, area is pi r squared. You use the radius for area. Doesn't mean you won't get a problem that has diameter. And we'll go over that. Let's do a couple examples. All right, so circle. My radius, which is my half distance across the circle, is 6. So pi, which in this case is 3.14, multiplied by 6, but first that has to get squared. 6 times 6, very good, 36. So I have 3.14 times 36. Why are you doing squared first, Nuge? It's on the right side. You obviously don't do that first. Remember PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, exponent. Okay, exponent is the second part of the parentheses. So 3.14, that's going to come out negative. 3.14 times 36 gives me an area of 113.04, and I said feet. Feet. Okay, so 113.04 feet. Let's do another one? Yeah, sure, let's do another one. How much time we got on this video? We're doing good. We got plenty of time. Let's do one more, and then I'll show you what to do if you get one that has diameter. All right, so circle, a circolo, un punta. Let's do 5. So once again, 3.14, because that is pi, times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. So it ends up being 3.14 times 25. I'd be thoroughly impressed if you figured out how to do it in your head. You could memorize all these if you wanted to, but 3.14 times 25. 78.5. 78.5 inches squared. Okay? Squared. Yeah, look at that. Still got it. Now for the last one, what do you do if they give you diameter? So I have a big giant circle, and they've given me the diameter instead. Well, if the diameter is 8, total distance across is 8. Well, you look here, diameter is total distance across, radius is half the distance. So if the total distance across is 8, half of that distance is going to be, what's half of 8? I got 8 fingers, I take away half of them, I have 4. So r equals 4 here. They gave you the diameter, doesn't mean you can't find the radius. Okay, it's half of whatever the diameter was. So 3.14 times 4 squared, 3.14 times 16. I use my handy dandy calculator. 50.24 yards, and it's yards, remember, squared, okay? Yards squared. All right, so it's not very scary, okay? Area of a circle is not scary when you actually are doing it, when you're calculating it, when you're working with it. Intimidating to look at and just, you know, from the get-go. Next week we'll do circumference. So Monday I'll have a circumference video. Oh, I gotta film that tomorrow. I'll film it tomorrow. Oh, we'll see. We've got a storm coming. I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe I'll just do a bunch of videotapes today. Yeah, so area of a circle, okay? Simply put, you need the formula. Area of a circle, just like you did area of a triangle, and just like you did area of a quadrilateral or a parallelogram, you need the formula, okay? Geometry is mostly about formulas. And for area of a circle, it's pi r squared, okay? R is radius, pi is pi, and we all know how to square stuff because I went over yesterday. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to stop rambling because I got a lot of editing to do, and I got here at a pretty good time this morning. So, whoop, whoop. Remember, Monday, hybrid. Hopefully there's no snow. And yeah. Happy birthday, Andy. Happy birthday, Dua. Sorry I missed your birthdays. And happy birthday today, Fahim. Whoop! Oh, don't forget, it's been a while, but boom, like and subscribe. If you've already liked and subscribed, get other people to do it, okay? Let's get Nuge to 100,000. Let's get the silver thing. That'll never happen. But